So we're going to click on our demo house here. First thing we're going to look at is site media. Now, one thing, this is going to be where all your photos, videos, floor plans, site attachments, like if you have a flyer you want to attach here, you can do that, or any other kind of media, PDF, JPEG, things like that. Embedded media, which would probably be a YouTube video that after I make it for you, I'll embed it there with a link, and you'll have a branded and an unbranded version of that. So it will show up on either one. If you have Matterport, 3D Tour, I usually put those right there, and those would show up on the property website. Most of the time when you get these, they're just going to have random little numbers of file numbers from my camera here. But if you want to do this feature, it's kind of neat. Here in the caption, it will just say JPEG 456, whatever my file number was from my camera after I've had them edited. But if you want to change the label that's on this photo, you can just start typing something in. Let's say if I just type in, you see there's kitchen. I could say kitchen and dining, but this is kind of the living room and the dining area. So I'm going to start typing that in. There's living and dining room, living from the dining. Let's just go back here and call that living. I can type living and dining room. All right. And it's a photo, and we want to keep it in branded and unbranded. You can put description or things like that. Motion detected. We're just going to leave it as it is. And here I've given names to these other ones: living room, living from dining, and living area. And then you just kind of click in this gray, and you can see there's these names are here. Right now it says hide photo names on the property site, usually because I don't change these to specific names. You can do this. I can do this if you ask me to, but they're hidden. So here's where that's kind of cool. If we want to uncheck that, and you can sort media by name if you'd like to, or you can sort it manually. You can just click and drag, like, hey, I want that photo to be the first picture up here. So let's go to site design and show you a little thumbnail of what that does when we give them a name. So there's our property website. Now when I hover over the photo, it shows that little title. Pretty cool. There is your floor plan, and if there's any other media like a video or things like that, they would be here. Your photo is going to be here, and your company logo is going to be right here. So while we're in site design, let's look at a couple of other things. We could open a preview and get a full page, full screen view of things. You've got your links here at the top. You've got your information. You see we had just listed. We selected that when we were getting the site data. There's our price, all the bedroom and information there. There's those bullet points that we put in on the site page, and any room measurements that you have will go right here. Printable flyers. These are the 3 flyers that we created in the print media section. Check out that video. And then here's school information and local info. And if you click on that, it's just going to pull that up from School Digger, pull up the school information about that. And let's see, we're back here. You say, maybe I don't like this design, so I want to pick a different one. Select a design style. So we're in the Astrid series. You could jump up here to the Nova series, and they're all going to be about the same. And it'll build in. You can scroll and see. Once you get past that little opening page, it's just going to change the layout and kind of where it's listed. Gold, it's going to have a little bit more of a gold hue to things, or your text and things like that. You know, if you want teal lettering, there you go. You can go down here, Vega. Someone will have your photo, and some won't. So you just have to decide which one you want, and that color represents what color font it's going to be. So you can just walk through these, see the way they look. You can pick which one you like. You can change this up for every property that you have, or you can set a default. Like, I really like this one, Astrid 1 Black. You could go back up to your account and go down here and say, I want Astrid 1 Black to be my default property design. All right, add a display condition. I really don't have, I'm not sure what that is. I think I've done something kind of crazy, but that won't happen to you. Friendly web addresses are here for the property. They're each going to take you to this property. Okay. They're exactly the same. Just if you want to say 123 demo house. If you want background music for it, you can select that here, or you could say no background music. The user has the option when they're looking at the website to turn the music on and off. So if you put some on there, but I usually leave it off. So we kind of like the way our website is ready to go. We want that design. Let's go down here to site activation. So you can see when you, as I said before, when you get it, you're going to be in the preparing mode, and you'll see a go button right here under live. And when you're ready to go live with the property, you just click go right there, and it'll take the site live. And then you have property links for branded and unbranded, a marketing kit if you need to get to the marketing kit quickly, or the download page. This is a handy one. If your property owners want to see the photos, you can send them this link. They can't download anything from here, but they can see all of the photos and media that we've uploaded there. So it's an easy way to get them that. Or you can send them the link to the website. If you have your social media things set up, you can link a slideshow to your YouTube page, not the YouTubes. And these are building because we've shifted the slides around, so it builds it fresh. So that takes a little while to build, but when it's ready, you'll see a link just like right here. So if I wanted to share something branded to Facebook, I could click right there, and it's going to build a brand right there, a post for you for social media that you can share. All right, and we'll get out of Facebook. Same thing you do for Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. Just have to log in, get all your credentials there.